Say hi to YouTube.
Go. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1.
One dead. Hey, close the door, buddy. All right, there you go. I got it. Our first dead. How do you feel?
Horrible.
All right. Oh, multi-surrender. That was awesome. Weird.
Call your hits. Get him some more.
Exactly.
Yeah, the guy in the blue shirt. Boy.
I don't care about the guys in blue hat. The guy in blue sweatshirt, I shot 2 or 3 times last time. And he wouldn't call it.
You've been all clear.
Well, if you're in a sweatshirt, you can't really feel it.
Game's over. Game's over. Team at the far end, you're leaving the field.
Exactly.
The team at the entrance in the bank. If you're on Team C from that side, you're coming off the field. Hey, send that team in. I got another